really did not know what to expect when my brother called me up to ask if I could help clean for seed for a few hours the following day. I remember as a child, our father would hire someone to clean wheat for seed at home on the farm. A person would come with a machine mounted on a trailer, and we would clean the wheat from any weed seeds that would be mixed in with the wheat, chaff, that sort of thing. So when I got to the farm, and I was surprised to see my brother had this machine mounted on the old corn barn floor. We emptied the grain wagons, bucket by bucket, into this machine that was manufactured by Mountville Manufacturing Company, a company that was founded back in 1888 and lasted into the 1930s. So this machine must be 80 or 90 years old or so, and it's still running strong. I thought, this is amazing. I need to make a little video of this, even if all I had on me was a cell phone. You can see here that the grain drops through a little hole that is on the floor through a bagging setup downstairs. Make call 2 takes the bags, weighs each bag to 103 pounds, ties the bag, and then stacks them up for fall seeding. This rye seed will be used as a cover crop for winter and dairy cow forage harvested next spring before the corn is planted for the summer.